Hello everyone, this is your Korean instructor Kang Han Him. Pleasure to meet you guys.
And I am Jason Nelson, very glad to be here. But Han, what's going on today? Why are we here?
Well, we are here to introduce what our class is about. And I broke it down into a few points. So first, I'm gonna give you first lesson. So first of all, you can change a few vocabulary to create a new sentence. What I mean is that whenever you're learning a language, for example, English, you'd be creating a sentence something like this. I am a boy. I am a girl. I am teacher. I am student. Just like that, we have I am to be verb 입니다 in Korean. So let's say you are saying 선생님입니다. 선생님 means teacher and 입니다 means to be verb. So it means I am a teacher. Or 학생입니다. 학생 means student and 입니다 is to be verb. So you'd be saying I am a student. So repetition of the 입니다 plus vocabulary 선생님, 학생 equals new sentence. 선생님입니다. 학생입니다. 제이슨입니다. 강한님입니다. There you go.
That's right. So by changing the word, you're changing the expression and the meaning. And through repetition, everybody's going to learn it very well, very easily. Cool. What's next?
So second, I'm going to teach you the most known Korean grammars in our lessons. What I mean is that in English, it comes like this. The sentence is created with a subject, verb, object, but in Korean, it's more like this. Subject, object, verb. And in between, right after the subject and the object, we have a special thing called markers. So for example, 나는 너를 좋아해요. 나는 는 is a special markers, subject markers. 너를 를 is actually the object markers and 좋아해요 is the verb. So I'm going to teach you different forms of the markers. So remember, I'm going to teach you the most known grammars. That's our second point.
Wonderful explanation. What's next?
So third, I'm going to teach you the Korean intonation and pronunciation. Intonation and pronunciation is very important whenever you're learning a language. In English, you have a two leer sound, R and a L. But in Korean, it's just L sound, thick L sound, more like. So for example, 사람, people, it's not 사람, it's 사람, no R sound. Another thing is that 라면. In English, it's called ramen, like R-A-M-E-N, but in Korean, it's more like an L sound. So it's ramen, no, 라면, 라면. Just like that, Korean intonation and pronunciation. Third.
Cool. Anything else?
No, I think I'm done.
Come on, man. You're missing the fourth one. The review classes. This is why I'm here. I'm here to help you guys review what you learned in the classes. I'm here to teach you some Konglish words, which is the combination of English and Korean combined. Konglish. Woo! And then I'm going to teach you Korean culture.
That's right.
All right? Let's wrap it up.
Okay, so I'm gonna we're gonna go over the few points. So first, I'm gonna teach you how to create a sentence by changing the new words. Second, I'm gonna teach you the most known Korean grammars. Third, Korean intonation and pronunciation. And the fourth, we're going to teach you the Konglish, Korean cultures, and the review classes. Anything else? Am I missing anything?
No, I think that's it.
Okay, and you want to say goodbye to them?
Yeah, see you
In
guys
Korean?
later. 안녕히 가세요.
Alright, 안녕히 가세요. 다음 시간에 뵙겠습니다. See you guys in class.
See ya.